Hey Naturalistas, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a brand review on Creme of Nature's coconut milk. Okay, so Creme of Nature, based on the brand reputation, I've heard some good things about Creme of Nature. Again, there will always be the people that Creme of Nature doesn't work for because some products just don't work on certain hair types. Okay, so that's on that. But in terms of brand reputation, especially natural hair community, I've found I've seen good reviews of Creme of Nature. So when I saw this, I quickly picked it up. According to the back, it says, this Creme of Nature formula quickly softens, detangles, and conditions while protecting against damage. The leave-in conditioner, infused with certified natural coconut oil, nourishes hair while detangling and adding shine. Directions. Shake well to blend and activate before using. Spray evenly onto damp or dry hair as needed, making sure that the ends are treated. Do not rinse. The packaging, I think it's really cute. It's neutral tone, you know, 5 out of 5. In terms of the smell, this smells so good. It smells just like coconuts. Smell test, y'all. Smells just like coconuts, and I live in Trinidad, okay, so I of all people know what coconuts smell like. For the size, I think it's really cute. It is 8.45 ounces. This is really good. In terms of the price, I believe I paid $32 for this. About $32, so that's good. 32 TT, so that's, I don't know, maybe 5 US. How long does it last? I've had this for 2 weeks, and as you can tell, I kind of love it. It's about a third finished, so this might last me about 6 weeks. In terms of the lightness of the product, it's super light. It feels like nothing has even touched your hair. I feel like that's why I've been using so much of it, because it's super light. It's amazing. I would say 5 out of 5 in terms of lightness. In terms of moisturization levels, I would say 5 out of 5 because it's the perfect product to just revitalize your curls throughout the week. You know, after you wake up and you've taken out your hair from your plaits or buns or whatever, you just take this little buddy here and you just, and boom whaps, your hair is just instantly revitalized. I would say that this does what it's supposed to do, and I would recommend buying it. It's Creme of Nature coconut milk. No cap, this is awesome. So, do you guys use any Creme of Nature products? Let me know how you have felt about their line. Like, what have you used and what's your experience? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week. Later.